I even sent screenshots. I even sent screenshots, as you guys can see. He blue ticked me. So what are you gonna say? Radial is doing a great job. He didn't even tell me that, okay, maybe I'm still busy with something. We can do something, or I'm gonna review it later on. No, he just ignored me. There we go. You're Radial. Then you guys, you wouldn't believe us when we are telling you, you tend to believe people who know nothing about the market. Yes, he's doing a good work. Some guys are actually scammers, but now the thing that Rydell doesn't want to live on is what? Is the truth. Whenever he sees that, yeah, something is happening, clients are scamming people, what happens? He ignores, as you can see. Ignored me. Seen. What do you have to say about this? So fuck these people, bro. I'll never respect these guys. Why must I respect these guys? You can see, I've sent evidence. Evidence. And I explained to him what's going on. Exactly. So fuck these people, man. Don't tell me about your what. Fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, bro. Yeah, now you're saying I must ask my mom. Okay, it's fine. When I start scamming people, you mustn't cry. Let's play that game then. When I start scamming people, don't cry. You wanna play that scamming game? Let's play that scamming game. No problem. Let's play that scamming game. No problem. You own the land of trades. You know the vibes, dog. You know the vibes. So right now, unfortunately, I have to close, guys. We're like in a deep loss. We're like in a deep loss. Busy saying, show us the trades, show us the trades. That's all you know. Yeah, I just took a loss right now. You can see. The market didn't go as planned. It has left our block, like we said. Don't worry, guys. I mean, I'll show you anything. I'll show you everything. Let me just wait. If you blow the account, let's blow the account. Then if you laugh, you laugh. You understand? That's all people they can do. But let's talk about how much I made today. Hate will always be there. So I'll just hold for you guys. I'll just hold for you guys. But already it's out our block, so it's chai. Right now it's just going to continue moving to the top around those areas right there. Understand? There we go. Now they're going to start laughing and doing whatever. There we go. There we go. Now people are telling you about risk management and what. Like, do you see what I mean? Now people are telling you about risk management and what. Hey, what. It's fine. If I blow it, let me blow on the live. As much as you see me make a lot of profit, you'll understand that I'm a real trader. Don't worry, I'm not being personal or anything. I'm just saying, even if I blow this account, fine. You can celebrate. You can celebrate. But how will that benefit you? Such a disgrace on you. You are celebrating someone else's downfall. Shame on you. News in less than a minute. Let's starve, boy. Let's starve. We're holding. If we blow, guys. I like your mentality, Panda. I like your mentality. But we're still holding. If it takes me out, it must take me out. There we go. Now we blew this one. This one is blowing. There we go. This one is gonna hit me out. There we go. You're gonna see trades are gonna disappear just now. So if it takes me out, it's fine. No problem. Just have to see what direction is gonna be. Even if I blow, I just wanna see the reaction. Because some people are just here to hate. This one is blowing. This one is blowing, guys. You can see already minus 4.8. This one is blowing. It's chai. It's chai. But let's see. Maybe it's gonna tap into the zone before going up. But either ways, it's gonna go up to the zone. It's fine. It can even go up to the zone. No problem, my guy. It's gonna blow, then sell. Yo, I know those things, guy. I know those things. It can even blow me, then sell. I know. Blowing is part of never, bro. It's part of what. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Go down on a man. Very shit. Eyes pushing up. Yeah, we are out. We are out. One more spike, then it takes us out. Yeah, so why must I run away from the live? I mean, I know this account is already blowing. I told you, if it leaves my blog, it's chai. Understand? Those ones where it takes you out then goes to analyze direction. Yeah, we're just gonna have to refund. That's the thing. But this one is already chai. There we go. Doesn't want to take me out right now. But officially, we have blown. Now you can celebrate. You'll see. You'll see the amount of hate I'll be getting. There we go. And now the margin is too much. Now the margin is too much. They're going to disappear in a few seconds. But this one is chai, guys. This one is chai. Exactly. Even CNBC sometimes, dog, yo, it can even lag. Because me, I'm trading this thing technically. I'm trading it technically. Yeah, this one is already chai, boys. You can start celebrating. This one is already chai. 5K something. Throw down here. German 30 on demo. No, it's fine, guys. Let them. Yes, I'm a demo trader. I'm a proud demo trader. Let them say that. I'm not going to argue with broke minds, man. I'm not going to argue with broke minds. Personal funds or people's money there. Breakouts, retest it to buy. Here's the thing I was talking about. Let me just block these guys. Yeah? The funny part is, when I took the signal, you were quiet. No one was talking about, hey, to buy, to sell, it's what. Just because now you see that, okay, we lost this trade. Now you feel like you can tell me, hey, to buy what? I'm proud, dog. I'm proud of what I do. I'm proud of what I do, dog. I'm proud of what I do, you know. And that's why right now I'm still holding. I want you to see that, right, he blew the account. Or 40K. Then I'm out. Which means I've already regained my 5K. And pushed to other profits. That's how it goes. But this one, it's chai. Let's see. For me, if the market doesn't take me out, I will continue holding. Like, guys, nothing is wrong. Here I am. I'm holding a drawdown. Manje kumele hlezi siqamba manga kunina sithi hey thina sinquma imarket every day wara. Aye, guys. Aye. I don't know what you guys want, because once someone shows you wins only, you start complaining. This guy is always winning. Once someone shows you losses, you celebrate. So umuntu omnyama uyisli manje. Isli manje. But we're still holding, guys. Watch this. Watch this. You are still celebrating, huh? You are still celebrating, my brothers and sisters. Are you still celebrating? Are you still celebrating? Let me just block these people. But are we still holding? We're still holding, guys. If it's like, see South Africa, okay, yeah. Now you can see me. Let me face this side. As guys. Yini nihlezi ninomona ngomuntu. Why? We do good, you complain. We do bad, you complain. And what do you want us to do? Because I'm here. This is what I do for a living. Teaching people is what I do. You understand? So you can't say, since you took a loss, now you're a bad teacher or whatever. I'm being real to you. I'm telling you. Some days are good, some days are not good. That's how it is. When I fight the market in terms of how many times do you win. Understand? Why didn't you lose? What? Why the account was on 5K but didn't lose? It's because of my margin. It's because of my margin and the credit, guy. Because of my margin and the credit. So for this account to blow, I need to be on minus 10,000. Then it's gonna blow. You understand? I need to be on minus 10,000. Then it's gonna blow. Or somewhere around 8,000 day. You understand? Somewhere around 8,000 day. Then it might blow. Because right now it's even saying minus 99% on the margin. So understanding your margin, understanding leverage, understanding credit, how credit works, it will help you in the market, guys. It will help you. It will help you. Poverty mindset. Guys, like we say, we don't need to prove a point to anyone. We don't need to prove a point to anyone. Daily law is still being taken out. I also believe so, bro. I also believe so. But let's see. What are the fundamentals saying? Let me just check the fundamentals, guys. Let me check. Yeah, so credit is the money that the broker borrows you. So if you misuse it, you can blow your account. But if you use it properly, what happens? You will gain. How much is the system? The system is 4,000 Rand, my brother. The system is 4,000 Rand. But not like I don't understand. I don't understand Sotho, guys. Can you please type in English? Can you please type in English, my brother? Can you please type in English? I don't understand. I don't understand. What are you talking about right now? So type in English or just type in Zulu, then I'll hear what you're talking about. Any news today? Yeah, bro, like it's just a slow day. It's just a slow day. That's all I can say to you. As you can see, we are still holding our losses out here. Hey, come on. We're still holding our loss out here. You guys can see we are still holding our loss. The market doesn't want to blow us, which means it's going to give us money. So let's just wait and be patient. Let's just wait and be patient. But PMB, you know the vibes. 14 October, I'm going to be doing a seminar, operating a seminar in PMB. Go through my profile. Check those things out. Let's make nothing but money, guys. Let's make nothing but money. Let's change people's lives. Let's educate people about this industry that we're in. Stop scamming people. Understand? Stop scamming people. Like, yo, there's a lot of traders here today. Aren't you guys supposed to be giving your students signals? Aren't you supposed to be on your lives analyzing? What are traders doing on my lives? What are traders doing on my lives? I just want to know. You're a trader. You're a mentor. You're in another mentor's life. Mshana. This man, he wants to have a seminar. Yeah, I am going to have a seminar. What about that? What about that? Bro, here is the broke mentality. This is the broke mentality. Just because of one trade, now this one says this man is running a 6,000 loss and he still wants to have a seminar. My dot. Yeah, my dot. Right? We reached our target. We're not selling anything. What? Alright, guys. Let me just go out the live. There's a lot of negativity here. But yeah, the first trade of the day, lost. Understand? I'll never teach anyone my shit ever. Good for you, my bro. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Our mentors are all here. Exactly. Blue. No, I haven't blew in yet, but I know that it's still gonna blow, guys. This thing is high. So already tested, it's going up. But we're still gonna hold. If something happens along the way, I'm still gonna come back and show you guys. When it's blowing as well, I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Viva EFF. Are you guys here full of jokes? Well, I'm still watching. Now we still gonna wait. We still gonna wait, fam. Don't worry. We still gonna wait. Understand? We still gonna wait. But no one is talking about the fact that we made 820,000. No one is talking about that. Understand? Please drop skincare routine. Skangela wena son. Skangela. Classic Forex trade. What you think about bricks? This bricks thing, guys, for me, I have no comments. Up until we see it operating, then we're going to believe that, okay, because there's a lot of corruption that will go in as well. There's a lot of corruption that will go in as well. So for me, no comment. Who am I to comment? Whether there's bricks or no bricks, I make money. Whether there's what or what, you know the vibes. You go know the vibes, banabandate. But guys, it was a good live today. You know the vibes. I'm one and only landlord, the operator. Mr. Withdrawals every day. You know the vibes. That's how we do it. It was a productive day as well. Yeah, man. We took one loss, 2 trades won. What can we complain? 820,000 made. Why can we complain? Lost 5K. So what's that? What's that compared to 820,000? You know what I'm saying? Not the vibes. If you're there in the morning, you know what's going on. But yeah, follow me because you're inspired. Don't follow me because you're a hater, because you're gonna have chest pains. You're just gonna have chest pains. You understand? But guys, let's keep pushing. Let's keep going forward. You know the vibes. Yes, sir.